Hey, welcome back. Karen here with the Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe, sounds really weird, is a carrot hot dog. Aren't hot dogs really all about the condiments? The sauerkraut, the relish, the mustard, the ketchup, caramelized onions, ideas to get that carrot hot dog to taste like a hot dog, but not a hot dog. Who really knows what's in a hot dog anyways? I don't. Ugh. So I don't want to eat one anymore. If you want to eat one, go ahead, but why don't you just give this a try just for some fun? It's fun for the kids, something different. I mean, really, what have you got to lose? It's a carrot. It only costs you $1 or something. So why don't we get started? I wash them up all really well. I just trim off the ends. I try to get all the same like size so they all cook up similar. I like to try to make them the size of a traditional hot dog. They grill up really nicely, kind of looking like a hot dog, but not a hot dog. Okay, this is great for your kids to learn how to do. Peeling is so easy, and you know, you can tell them to do it nice and slow, but I'm kind of speedy. Done. Okay, let's get on to getting those flavors infused into the carrots. A vegan beef broth. So I'm gonna add this in here. If you have a vegetable stock, that all works too. So I've got an easy minced garlic. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke. It's called smoked garlic and onion sea salt. Got a super smoky flavor inside. Wow, it smells just like a barbecue. So I'm gonna grab about a teaspoon. I'll have this linked in my bio. A tablespoon of smoky paprika. I love turmeric. Turmeric has a really earthy flavor. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna slice up an onion. Okay, let's put those in there. Okay, now let's add in our hot dogs, or our carrots. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Getting a little fork tender, right about like that. Some of them are a little larger, so they might need to cook a little bit longer. And then we're gonna put them on the grill. Okay, well there you go. You have your grilled carrot hot dogs. Delicious every time, easy, briny, salty, smoky, just like your regular old hot dog, but better. You don't have to be vegan, you don't have to be vegetarian. Whatever works for you is perfect. Carrot hot dogs, who knew? I love them. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, and don't forget to let me know how you made it your own. Talk to you soon. Bye. There's my helpers.